Go.
All right, so today we're going to start with the measures of central attendance. Now, instead of doing the normal mean, median, and mode stuff, which is pretty simple, what I decided to do is show you guys the more advanced parts of mean and median. All right, so the first one we're going to look at is median. What this shows right here is an interval with frequencies. All right, and they're asking you, where is the median located in this interval? Now, a lot of mistakes that most people make is that they don't realize that the frequency is the number of times this interval shows up. So, this is not our list. Our list is actually going to consist of all these numbers added together. Instead of writing it all out, though, which is going to take a lot of time, what we're going to do is we're going to use the table to help us find the frequency. All right? Because what we normally would do was we would write these numbers these many times. So, for example, if I thought 36 showed up 25 times, I keep writing 36 25 times, because that's the number of times it showed up, and that's what our frequency means. So instead of writing that whole long list, what we're going to do is we're going to subtract the frequencies to kind of find the median in the middle of the numbers. The way we do that is just like any list for median, we start from the outside and work our way in. For example, one more time, if we had the whole list, and then 75 up here. If we pretend that this is our whole list, all right, what we would normally do is we would cancel out the outside and work our way in until we find our middle number. But again, because we have so many numbers, we're not going to use the list, we're going to use the frequency. The way we do that, same process, we start on the outside and work our way in. The only thing is we're going to subtract the numbers. So when we subtract the numbers, the leftover is going to go where the bigger number was. So, let's start. The first two numbers on the outside are 45 and 25. So we're going to subtract these. 45 minus 25 is 20. And we cancel them out. And the leftover is going to go where the bigger number used to be. So now we have 20. And then we go again. Next outside with the next outside. So we have 120 minus 20. Cancel these out. 120 minus 20 is 100. So leftover goes where the bigger number was. And then our last interval is 110 and 100. So we're going to subtract those two. Bigger number goes here. So this is where our median is now. There's nothing left to subtract. This is the only interval left. So our median for this answer is going to be in the 56 to 65